The technique was actually pretty simple. It was just slow, small circular motions, filling up the area where the line's supposed to be, not really pulling lines like people do with traditional tattooing, just filling them up like you would do color work, filling up sections with color. Pretty basic, but requires a lot of discipline and like steady hand and keeping the melody, so to say, steady. Very easy. I've been through many brands of ink, so I kind of know which one looks the best when it's healed, and I'm familiar with many techniques, so I can really adjust it on the fly to keep it as saturated and as decent as possible. But I think the main thing is that I'm working really shallow in the skin, like very superficial, and this is why I chose to do the layer stuff, because after it heals, the skin absorbs the super shallow layer a little bit deeper into the skin, and then I'm applying another one, and I think this is the key and this is the trick. There is a lot of people asking me actually about the wiping technique, which is kind of okay, I can explain. Well, I have had the problems as well that in the beginning, when I was wiping the whites on the blacks, I've also had problems with smudging all over, but I figured that if you do it like continuously, just in one direction, it should be all right. So I'm just like wiping it all down always, from top to bottom. It works pretty well, as you probably see. Like in general, the approach is very basic, like pure tattooing in its finest, and the only difference, it's made with white instead of black.